What if I told you the most iconic Honda ever built has wheels roughly the size of a large pizza? The Honda Z50. Small enough to fit in your boot, mighty enough to ruin you for every other bike you'll ever own. This is the bike that started it all for millions of riders in 1968 and has evolved through different versions since then. Honda looked at the motorcycle world and thought, you know what this needs? Less of everything. Tiny frame, tiny engine, tiny wheels, and they created an absolute legend. The Z50 was the gateway drug of motorcycling. Your dad had one, your uncle had one, your nan probably had one. It even has folding handlebars because Honda genuinely thought you'd be throwing it in the back of your station wagon between errands. Let's talk about that engine. A mighty 49cc of patience, 0 to 50. This is not that kind of relationship. The throttle response is best described as a suggestion to go faster. And they had a centrifugal clutch, no clutch lever, just twist and pray, which meant every child immediately felt like a professional and every adult felt like they owed someone an apology. Maintenance, it's simple. Say mechanics. Everything bolts together in ways that make sense until they don't. You'll still find yourself staring at the carburetor, wondering if it's broken or just moody. Spoiler alert, it's moody. You know you're a Z50 person when you've had to explain, completely straight-faced, that yes, this is a real motorcycle, not a toy, and yes, it's for adults too. If you manage to convince them, welcome to the Honda Minibike Hall of Fame. When you hit a slight incline and instinctively lean forward like that will help. When you've looked at a parts diagram and gone through all 5 stages of grief in minutes. When someone called it cute and you felt offended on its behalf. The seat height is so low that tall riders look like they're wearing it. And yet none of that matters because the moment you're on it, you're grinning like an idiot, and that's the point. The Honda Z50 proves greatness doesn't come in large packages. It comes in a 49cc folding handlebar, pizza-wheeled machine that will outlast your marriage, your mortgage, and possibly you. Treat it with respect, or at least a manual. Do yourself a favor, head over to my50.com, grab the free manual, and stop treating your shed like an archaeological dig site. Your Z50A deserves better. Ride small, dream big, never explain yourself.